So I'm outside of Chin Brothers grocery store. We're in the south side of Indianapolis, Indiana. Mingalaba. And we're going to take a little tour. So this is Tan. He's one of the Chin Brothers. And we're actually inside of his store, which is connected to his restaurant, which is currently closed right now for break. It opens back up at 4 o'clock. So we're just going to he's going to guide us around the restaurant. And so far, I see Milo, which is very popular throughout Southeast Asia.
This is the corn. Heat it up with like 3 minutes, microwave, ready to eat.
Okay.
Very popular here.
And that's tapioca pearl pudding.
And this is like energy drink for all the Asian people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Miss Mem 150, okay.
And you come here, this is like a fish page. In Burmese, we call ngapi jo.
Okay.
Here, pazun chao jo. Things like that.
Let's see.
And come back here. Those are, you know, Mackie?
I've heard of them.
Yeah, it's a very popular in Malaysia. So most customer, they came from Malaysia.
Most of your customers?
Yes.
I see.
Because they stay at Malaysia is over 10 years. Some people stay at 10 years, you know, as mee sidap. Basically noodle, sidap, mee sidap. And we eat different chicken. So we eat those chicken, not chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, not soft chicken. This is in Myanmar. This is mango chop mango.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, dear chin.
Green mango
Green
or
mango.
Okay.
Yeah, green mango.
I see.
And right here is for the soup. Yeah.
So I know that's your script, but what does it say? Could you read that to us?
This is what you call
in your language.
In language, this is for Hindu.
Okay.
Yeah, for Hindu.
Okay.
This is for the soup.
And I see you have some vegetables here.
Vegetable. I mean, all the vegetables come on Friday, so now we all are sold out, empty.
Okay.
I see some papaya here.
Yeah, you have green papaya?
Yeah, green papaya.
So you asked me about my favorite food earlier.
Mm-hmm.
After pizza, my favorite thing to eat is green papaya salad.
Oh, we should do that.
Yeah, after pizza, it's my favorite thing.
Oh, and then the sabuti. Remember the lunch that we have?
Yeah, the corn looked very different.
Yes, this is sabuti for sabuti.
Sabuti, yeah. Which is a Chin dish.
Chin dish for corn soup, you see?
Okay.
Yeah, and then this is like kalape. We call kalape in Myanmar.
Okay.
It's a lot. This is, people love to eat this too. See?
And what do you call that?
This is we call fang, but we mix with rice and cook it.
Okay.
And this is all bean, all kind of bean here.
I see.
Yeah.
Do you use them in some of your desserts?
Dessert? Yeah, we do over there.
Okay, okay. So it looks like
this is all rice flour.
I see.
Yeah, this is sweet rice flour. All the cake that we make is sweet flour, rice, sweet rice flour it is. And this is plain. This is just for rice flour. It's not sweet flour.
Okay.
So this is for cake. Yeah, all this frozen food.
Yeah, I see a lot of meat here, fish.
Yeah, this is we call boxy. This is for some people breakfast. They eat it. Can be chicken. You see, chicken boxy.
Now, what's more popular for breakfast, mohinga or that?
I would say both.
Both?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here is all utensil.
Oh, you have the mortar and pestle?
Sorry, everything is a mess, you know.
Oh, I've seen much worse.
For the grain. So we use a big knife to cut this.
Wow.
And you know this one? the mat that we call. This is good.
Yeah, that looks
Yeah,
pretty
cook.
scary.
And then, you know, my people love to make garden, right? This is a pokpia.
Okay.
Yeah, this is like this, you know. Do it. After you make this, use this. So, this is the first time we did for digging the ground, you know. After that, after we finish, we grade the seed, you know, small size. And then, this is, when you cut grass, it's like this.
Wow, so you got like a little hardware store in this corner.
And this is the long knife, you know, the mark, you see? It's long.
Yeah, very.
Yeah, long, it's long. Yeah, you know when you make papaya.
Now, I've never used one that big, I can say. I definitely never used one of that size.
This is, you know, when you make papaya, lots of papaya, when you have a big party, right?
Yep.
So that's where you make papaya salad. Mix it all here, you know, just like this.
So I start hammering the garlic, then I put the tomato and the peanut in.
Everything.
And then after that I mix with my hands. At least that's how I do it. I was taught the Thai Lao. Well, I guess it would be more so the Thai version, but...
Yeah, in my country we use this to make papaya salad.
Yeah, if I had more room in my car I'd buy one of those, but I got
This is popular for floor mat, you know.
Okay.
Here, see? You know, in my country, right, we lay down on the floor. We can sit on the top, big party. So this is we use like this.
Now, you've shown us hardware, kitchenware,
that's
vegetables,
all,
other things.
Right here, different kind of pot and cooking utensil, and big side, small side, and yeah, this is.
Now, do you sell any clothes from your country?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'd love to see those.
Clothes, I think we need to go over there when we talk about clothes. We have to go over there.
Okay, I could see them if you could see them off in the distance. Wow, this is a lot of rice.
It's a lot of rice.
All right, now let me see if I got this right. Thai, wait, that's Thai.
Yes.
That's Vietnamese. That's Burmese. What's that?
This is the brand name Dragonfly.
Okay, what is this green?
This is Thailand. I think I can read it.
Maybe
So,
that's Lao. I don't. This is
maybe Lao. I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah. So this is all kind of candy noodle.
And you said you get a lot of customers originally from Malaysia.
Malaysia, yes.
Okay.
Malaysia, African. Hi. How are you? She's my sister.
Your sister?
Yeah, she can be on Facebook, no problem.
Okay.
She loves Facebook.
Okay. Well, this is going to go on YouTube.
Yeah,
So.
good. She's my sister. So this is we talk about the traditional food.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to see these.
Yeah, like this. So this is actually men jacket.
Okay.
So we use when we have like wedding party, you know, Sunday service, any special service that we use most of the time with the Chin people. Chin National Day, or when we have some special day that we use this one.
I see.
This is actually for men. So we have some women stuff, Nutilka. Maybe not easy to find here women stuff. 아침에 좀 해줘 축성놈 해. It's a mess. This is for all the women.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is for women clothes. It's okay here. Yeah.
All right. So thank you very much for the tour. Anything else you want to show us?
Well, thank you very much to visit us here and give our time to us. Appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay. So again, we're at Chin Brothers on the south side of Indianapolis, Indiana, and you can see their hours right there. So say, how do you say goodbye in your language? Ung Ta, thank you.
Thank you.